Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners and welcome to the European Rundown for today, Tuesday the 5th of July. And for any of our US listeners, a very welcome back. Hope you all had an enjoyable Independence Day holiday. In terms of some of the things noted overnight during the Asian session, a couple of stories referencing China, one in particular staying at a local government state level. There could well be further hidden debt that hasn't been audited as yet to the tune of over $500 billion US. Also, state broadcaster also suggesting we could potentially have further interest rate hike from the Chinese central bank as soon as this weekend as they look to tame inflation. In other news from the Wall Street Journal, an interview with the head of the opposition party of Greece, Samaras, has suggested that he's still unhappy with some of the austerity measures that have recently gone through Parliament in Greece just last week, particularly on the issue of tax, did unsettle some investors in toward the European Open. Also as well, one thing to bear in mind has been the constitutional court hearings in Germany, which has unsettled some. However, not too much is expected here according to most analysts because there is no such votes. It's just the actual hearings in regards to the opponent's case in regards to the German participation in the bailout of Greece and other European countries. Further sentiment though was knocked after the macro data in the form of the latest European service PMIs was a little soft, particularly that of Germany. So Bunds did initially trade higher with equity markets in the red and a slightly softer euro. However, one of the key turning points has come from the UK, with their service PMI number coming in better than expected. In particular, the prices charged component saw quite a sharp fall from the previous reading last month. That's tempered some of the near-term inflationary concerns in the UK, and as such, cables had quite a strong ascent since that release at 9:30 London time. We've rallied over 100 pips. We're trading now back above the 161 level. That coupled as well from the Debt Management Office today, who've managed to auction off a 10-year supply over £3 billion worth, and it came in with very strong demand compared to previous and the average of the last three, with a cover ratio of well over 2.1. Looking forward then in terms of the US session, relatively quiet. We'll have the durable good revisions and also the factory orders, both of which will come at 3 o'clock London time, so around 9 a.m. Chicago. That concludes the opening wrap for here in Europe. We'll have another update for you at the cash equity close this afternoon at around 4:30 London time, but for the time being, have yourself a great trading day.